Hi, I'm Dr. Mary Landon Darden. I'm president of Higher Education Innovation and the author of a new book, Entrepreneuring the Future of Higher Education, Radical Transformation in Times of Profound Change. We all know that higher education is in a crisis. Many institutions are failing and many more will close in the years to come. So we've got to take radical action now. We have formed leadership workshops to meet the needs, to develop the tools and the skills of entrepreneuring the future of each institution. We have a workshop for presidents called The President as Entrepreneur, and we have one for administrators called Administrators as Entrepreneurs. And the goal of these 9-week sessions that meet 2 hours a week is to enhance creative, entrepreneurial, relevant, innovative, transformational leadership that is designed to move institutions to higher levels of success in times of radical change. Please join us for our next series. We'd love to have you join us and change the future of your institution.